Jory's on a mission to acquire a taste for persimmons. Alright, I hope that's what you're looking for, Jory. Let me know if you need it again. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it.
Ladies and gentlemen, we did it. We have a theme song. Rob Scallon coming through. Clutch. Sometimes it's the friends you know who help you do stupid things. You know what I mean? Got another persimmon. This week they've been very firm at the grocery store. They're kind of less juicy, but still the same level of awful. So I don't think it really matters that much. I think what I'm finding though is if there is like any bruises on it, that's a no-no. So I'm just gonna stick to the unblemished part of the fruit, I think. Just go into it. That one really has a crunch to it, you know? It's like a satisfying apple sound without any of the goodness, you know? If you need your kids to just shut their mouths, I recommend a persimmon. My roommate is over there eating spaghetti right now, and it looks so much better than the persimmon. You want to say hi? No? No, stuffing your face with some spaghetti, that's cool. I'm just over here eating a persimmon, you know? I think he gets joy out of this. Not gonna lie, I would too. Nope, I'm no longer getting joy out of this. I'm back. Water is key in this. I'm thinking it actually is starting to taste a little bit better. But that's like, we're looking at razor thin margins here. I think we're in this for the long haul. My lower lip is stuck to my teeth. Well, once again, let's play that beautiful theme song once again. Thank you, Rob, for doing everything that you do. Take it away.
Jory's on a mission.